Blood volume goes down. Food is also not going, water is also not going, so nothing is going in the bloodstream at all. तो उससे क्या होता है, blood volume goes down and the circulation also is reduced, and one feels a little chill on the surface of the body, on the skin and head. So nothing to worry about, but that slight chilliness, slight shiver also, it happens because of low blood volume. That I felt it today, and slight because body becomes a little cold because blood volume is less. It's not reaching on all parts of the body, which keeps blood keeps the body warm. So when it is less, blood volume is also uh, because of low blood volume, body gets slightly colder than the outside temperature. So because I was feeling a little shiver and then little dizziness also. Dizziness is very common, as I explained in my phase 1 videos also. Dizziness is very common and normal because body is changing its fuel from glucose to fat. Glucose stores last around 1 day or so, and subsequently on second day it starts shifting on fat, stored fat. So say little dizziness is very obvious and common, but still I was feeling like having something, and I had half a spoon of coffee in water at around 2 p.m. and then I did not have anything up to 5:30, and then at 5:30 again I had some spices boiled in water, and that's all I had. So overall it is going on pretty smoothly. No hunger at all, no thirst at all as such also, apart from slight dizziness and that shiver. That's which is a different new experience for me. Everything is going on pretty fine. So this is called dry fasting. When you stay without water, this is called dry fasting. And when you fast with water, that is wet fasting, which is more common form of fasting. Now, why to do dry fasting? I've heard that when you do dry fast, the effect of this fast is three times the fast of 3 times the regular fast. So benefits are 3 times than the regular fast. So half a day of waterless fast is equivalent to 1.5 days of regular with water fast. Because autophagy, which I've explained in my previous videos also, when the body starts eating its dead and useless cells, it speeds up during waterless fast because nothing is working. Your digestive system is not working, your circulatory system is not getting anything from digestive system, and even kidneys and excretory system is also not functioning. It is also in rest. So even deeper cleaning happens because of this dry fast. So I have not tried continuous 24 hours of dry fast because I wanted to try this first, half a day of dry fast and half a day off with water fast, because it's a new experience for me altogether. इसलिए थोड़ा slow जाना चाहिए. uh, Tomorrow would be my last day of this. Until tomorrow 5 o'clock I'll consume water, and after that again I will go without water and I'll see how it goes. If I feel again a little dizziness or shiver, I may take a cup of coffee again, and I will open my fast 9 p.m. tomorrow. And this 3 days of fast I think would be equivalent to 6 or 7 days fast of regular fast, because इसमें जो 1.5 days are without water, that will be counted as 4.5 days. So let's see how the post fasting effects will be. That I will know after I open my fast, and my opening of fast will also be slow and steady. I will take some veggie juice, is a fruit juice, tomorrow evening to open my fast, and that's all. Subsequent day I will be totally on raw food, no cooked food during the day. Now during these times when we have corona epidemic lurking on us from everywhere, Fasting is a pretty good idea because it strengthens your immune system, and that is the only known and certain way of protecting yourself against infectious as well as non-infectious diseases. That is why fasting had been extremely uh, popular in our culture. Religious reasons were there, though hidden health reasons were the actual reasons. And also, it is a preparation for the times to come. We do not know what will come, what the future will throw to us, what kind of diseases, what kind of pathogens will come to us, and we actually do not know what will be available and what will not be. Like yesterday evening, Prime Minister again announced lockdown for 21 days. We are not sure about the supplies. We do not know what will be available, what will not be. And as I am feeling, it is just a trailer. Maybe coming years will be even more difficult. Could be, who knows? And preparing yourself, your body is not physically as well as mentally to face such challenges are extremely important. And fasting brings focus in you, brings discipline in you. It helps you stay without food and without water in the time of crisis. Instead of panicking, one can easily calm down and stay without food and water for at least a few days. And remaining days, one can easily survive on 30 to 40% of food that we consume on every day, on day-to-day basis. So it helps us, remain at least calm without panicking. And coming times, I envisage times when neither our money nor our material nor any men would be useful in handling situations that may come. बिकॉज अभी इन दिनों में ही देख लो, अभी कुछ काम नहीं आ रहा. हमारे बैंक में कितने पैसे पड़े हैं, इट डजंट मेक एनी डिफरेंस. हमारे कितने सगे संबंधी हैं, चाहने वाले हैं, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. हमारे पास कितने साधन हैं, उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. बिकॉज सबकी एक ही स्थिति है, सब अंदर लॉकडाउन है. तो जो भी हमने एक्वायर किया इस दुनिया में, वो कुछ काम आता नहीं ऐसी स्थिति में. और एंड आई थिंक सच सिचुएशंस विल बी मोर प्रोमिनेंट एंड मोर डिफिकल्ट इन कमिंग ईयर्स. सो जन धन साधन और भोजन कुछ काम नहीं आएगा. सिर्फ काम आएगा अपना डिसिप्लिन, अपनी इनर स्ट्रेंथ and a strong belief that yes, I can tide over such difficult times. I explained in one of my videos that how placebo effect works and how strong belief acts as a placebo and helps in curing diseases and disorders. It does not let any physical or mental disorder come in. So that's what it is. So I think these are the times that have come as a trial to us, as a trailer to us, as a rehearsal for us to practice self-discipline and value those things which we have not valued so far. Non-material things, non-monetary things, and an inner journey, a journey towards inside, wherein we can find our true strengths and true goals, and whatever we want to achieve internally, not externally. Because external achievements and external whatever we have acquired has no meaning in such times, right? So I will share my day 3 and fast opening experience tomorrow with another health topic on this. Until then, stay safe, stay happy. Good night.